Test mic test. This is Jojo Abelgas testing my first screencast. I'm Jojo Abelgas, 30 years old, and this is the Struggling Designers podcast slash screencast slash video blog. I hope. Um, so this is my first test. So let's delve into some tutorials. Let's get this out. And okay, did I mention this is a Taglish podcast? Hirap mag-English. Anyway, ang gandang topic sa Photoshop. Ito. What if kailangan nyo ng objects or symbols pero wala kayo sa PC, sa laptop, or sa Mac nyo, and you need an internet. Problem is, wala kayong internet. So, what do we do? Meron under sa actually ang default nito is the rectangle tool. Under itong rectangular tool, meron custom shape tool. Okay, let's make a new document muna para gumana to. 640 by transparent. Okay. Press Ctrl H para matanggal yung guide view. And pag na-click nyo itong custom shape tool, sa upper part ng window, may ito yung shapes and may thumbnail. Click down and may mga basic shapes dito. And ang magandang benefit dito, these are vector graphics. So, at anong resize gamitin nyo, hindi siya magpipixelate, unlike bitmap. Example, let's try this. Cool. Close this one. Press shift and drag para ma-constrain yung size. Then let's get our default. No, cancel. Ayun yung paths. Let's make it as a path para malagyan natin ng gradient. New fill, gradient. Gradients is any mix of any number of colors. Wala tayong maganda. Wala tayo sa color harmonies 1. Huwag natin append. Click OK. Whatever. So, again, kung na-overlook itong custom shape tool, it's very powerful dahil, see, you have plenty of objects. Pwede pa kayo mag-download free from adobe.com/exchange. Sige natin. Ito problema sa screencasting. Medyo hapit ako sa 640 by 480 na size, so bear with me. Anyway, testing lang naman to. I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.